Hey guys, in this video we are going to see input and output in PLC systems. In Programmable Logic Controllers, PLCs, inputs and outputs, I/O, are crucial components that allow the PLC to interface with the physical world. 1. Inputs. Inputs are electrical signals received by the PLC from sensors, switches, or other devices in the field. These signals represent the state or condition of the physical world that the PLC is monitoring or controlling. There are two kinds of inputs: digital input, analog input. Digital inputs. These are binary signals representing two states, typically on, off, or 0 or 1, or high, low. Digital inputs are commonly used for sensing the state of switches, push buttons, limit switches, proximity sensors, etc. Analog inputs. Analog inputs measure continuous signals within a range of values, such as temperature, pressure, voltage, or current. Analog inputs convert physical quantities into digital signals that the PLC can process. Outputs. Outputs are signals sent by the PLC to actuators, relays, motors, or other devices in the field to control processes or operations based on the PLC's logic and programming. Like inputs, outputs can also be digital or analog. Digital outputs. These outputs can switch between two discrete states, typically on, off, or high, low. Digital outputs are used to control devices like solenoid valves, motors, relays, indicator lights, etc. Analog outputs. Analog outputs provide a continuous signal within a specific range. They are used to control devices such as variable frequency drives, proportional valves, heaters, etc. These are the precise control of variables like speed, position, temperature, or pressure is required. Inputs and outputs are fundamental for PLC-based control systems. The PLC reads input signals, processes them according to its programmed logic, and then sends output signals to control various processes or machinery. PLC programming languages such as ladder logic, function block diagrams, or structured text are used to define the logic that determines how inputs are processed to produce the desired outputs.